Now I shall start exercise 12.3 question number 5. Listen to the question. From each corner of a square of side 4 cm, a quadrant of a circle of radius 1 cm is cut, and also a circle of diameter 2 cm is cut. Now find the area of the remaining portion of the square. Now look the figure. ABCD is a square of side 4 cm and there are 4 quadrant. Okay, and this is a circle of diameter 2 cm. So area of the square is at first take out side into side, that is 4 into 4 16 centimeter square, and of each quadrant theta is 90 degree because each angle of a square is 90 degree and radius is given 1 centimeter. So area of one quadrant equal to theta by 360 into pi r square, and area of 4 quadrant 4 into 90 by 360 into pi r square because theta is 90 here. So 4 into 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 1 into 1 centimeter square. 4 cancel and it remains 22 by 7 centimeter square. Now of the middle circle, okay, diameter is given 2 centimeter, so radius is 1 centimeter and its area will be pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into 1 into 1 centimeter square, which is 22 by 7 centimeter square. Okay, now area of the remaining portion equal to area of the square minus area of the 4 quadrants and area of the circle. Area of the square we have take out in equation 1, that is 16, and area of 4 quadrant we have got in equation 2, that is 22 by 7, and area of circle in equation 3, that is 22 by 7. So 16 minus 2 into 22 by 7, and here LCM is 7, so 16 into 7 112 minus 44, that is 68 by 7 centimeter square. Now come to the next question. Question number 6. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving on equilateral triangle ABC in the middle. So find the area of the design. Look, this is the figure of the circular table cover and ABC is an design of equilateral triangle and this design portion is to be determined. Its area we have to take out. So O is the center of the circular table cover. ABC is an equilateral triangle shaped design. So at first OA, OB, OC are joined. So number of sectors equal to 3. So angle of each sector theta equal to 360 by 3. You know the sum of the angles around a point is 360. So theta will be 360 by 3 because number of sectors is 3. So theta equal to 120 degree and radius is given 32 centimeter. So area of one shaded design, which is the shape of a segment. So its formula will be theta by 360 into pi r square minus half r square sin theta. So 120 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 32 into 32 minus half into 32 into 32 into sine 120 degree. Okay. Now 1 by 3 after calculation into 22 by 7 into 32 into 32 minus half into 32 into 32 into root 3 by 2. So 2 16 the 32 here and 2 16 the 32. So after multiplication 22 into 32 into 32 by 3 7 the 21. And here 16 16 256 into root 3 centimeter square. Now there are 3 segments. So area of 3 shaded design, that is area of 3 segments is 3 into 22 into 32 into 32 by 21 minus 256 root 3 centimeter square. Now I have break the bracket. So 3 into 22 into 32 into 32 by 21 minus 3 into 256 root 3 centimeter square. 3 7 are 21. So 22 into 32 into 32 it is 22528 by 7 minus after multiplication of 3 and 256 it is 768 root 3 centimeter square. Okay. So this is the answer, that is the area of the design, that is the segment. Design is in the shape of a segment. So area of the three segment is 22528 by 7 minus 768 root 3 centimeter square. Okay.